want it. Did y'all hear this one running, right? I want to see this one. I know this motor too much for this damn car.
It ran and drove one up there.
Came back on top. Well, I had to, probably, but
Don't do nothing no more.
alright, y'all. So this one been gone for a minute. I gotta see if I even got footage of this one still, but it's back. Whipple Supercharged, I believe. Still gotta do exhaust. Oh damn. That's fine. Alright. I got it, dog. Yep. Whipple.
What was the last show you went to? Mississippi? Was that Mississippi you ever went to?
Alright. That shit fire. Alright, y'all, Trans Am just about done. Waiting on the tune. Got the full shebang on this one. I believe they supplied the wheels, but they definitely did the brakes, exhaust, suspension. There's Ridetech. Oh no, that's Fox. Oh wow, cool. Shout out to Fox suspension. We still got some knickknacks to get right. T-top. And action. Whipple. Oh, probably just got this box right here.
Yeah, they put that box. That's what they do. The box. That little Pontiac, I might even shoot that.
Okay. So we're not going to be able to narrow this around.
This is why we are here. This is why we are here. Oh my God, y'all. Woo, boy. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Woo. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, boy. That bitch is so running, y'all. Yes. That's all I've been waiting on. It's ferocious, boy.
Yeah, that's fucking stupid.
Golly. That Whipple shit, man. What's the base motor?
It's 388.
388.
Yeah. It's forged rods, piston, bottom end.
I love the tail lights.
Oh yeah.
Them bitches so hard. And you got a, what is it, 2.9 Whipple? You gonna be real happy with this joint.
So fucking loud.
Man, so loud, bro. Y'all did the wheels and, of course, all the suspension too, right?
Ratchet engine. It's got Ridetech on it.
Ridetech, okay.
Yep.
I mean, I'm gonna remember all that once I go through. A Hoover in?
We just built the factory rear end.
Okay.
cover the whole fucking blower.
Oh wow.
Because it's usually only like this long.
Damn, for real? Oh wow, I didn't even realize that. Now that's dope. Damn, I did not realize that.
Yeah, it looks like a factory.
Yeah, that's cool as hell. No wonder it's catching.
No hole in the hood.
No wonder it's catching just the top of the bird head. That's crazy. That's dope. Yeah, that's a good ass idea right there. These factory?
Yeah.
This is real vents.